Hello there, my name is Nils from FSK Industries, and today I'll show you our next assistance system, the LinDrive. Come on over, let's take a look. Now, when it comes to welding, it's very important that once we've found the correct torch position, we want to keep it constant. Like a good manual welder who always tries with all his might to keep the torch angle as constant as possible. And that's why we've invented the LinDrive. With LinDrive, you can use a fixed torch angle, and you can teach the robot in a force-guided manner, fast and easily. I just press and hold our free drive button, and then I can very effortlessly, with just 2 fingers, move the robot in X, Y and Z very effortlessly. The angle of the robot remains constant. Now I also have the option of locking individual axes. For example, let's say I don't want to go up in the Z direction here at all. Then I just deselect Z here, confirm this. And now I can move the robot here in X and Y, but I can't get it to move up or down. But I can move it in X and Y. If I now only want to go in one direction, I can of course simply lock another axis. I'll just select that here again. And can now only move the robot in one direction. Can't go back and forth, can't go up or down. I can only make it move in one direction. And that's a really handy thing because it makes teaching so much easier. We also have this little hint if maybe you want to lock all of the axes. Yes, I think you can't make it easier than that. On that note, I hope you understood all of this. And if not, just drop us a few comments below and thank you so much.